What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a Burger Motorsports intake on your B58 powered F chassis car. My car is an F30, but this works for 1 series, 2 series, 3 series, and 4 series, as long as it has the B58 engine and it is the F chassis. I'm going to be installing both the air filter and this silicone intake pipe. The tools you're going to need is a 13mm socket, Allen key, a T15, and a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to try to make this install as quick and easy as possible, and at the end I'm going to have some before and after sound clips, so please hit the like button and leave a comment. It helps me out a lot. You start by using your flathead screwdriver to undo the 4 clips on your stock airbox. Next, you use your flathead screwdriver to loosen this hose clamp. After that, use your T15 to remove the 2 screws on the MAF sensor. You don't have to disconnect the actual MAF sensor clip unless you want to clean it, which I do have a video I'll link on how to do that. After the MAF sensor is out, remove the top section of the airbox. You will see this padding here. You can remove it if you want, but you don't have to. I do recommend vacuuming the airbox if it looks dirty, and at this step, if you aren't replacing the stock intake pipe, you can fast forward to the part where I start installing the BMS intake tube. Loosening this clamp can be kind of annoying. I twisted it toward the engine bay to give myself some more space, and then I used a mini flathead to get to the screw. After that, just pull it out, and if you're wondering what the plastic box on top of the stock intake pipe is, that's a sound resonator. Now you just put the BMS intake pipe on and tighten it. After that, you use your 13mm socket to remove this bolt. Now you attach the BMS intake tube and use that 13mm socket to bolt the mounting bracket on. And then you use your flathead to tighten this upper clamp. After that, you can reinsert your MAF sensor and use the screws provided by BMS to tighten it. And make sure you don't drop those screws in the engine bay. And the next step is to attach the actual filter and tighten the clamp. I had somebody hold it in place for me, but you can do this all on your own. From here, just double check that you've tightened everything and that the clamps are sitting correctly. Also, you can remove the 4 metal clips from the stock airbox. I forgot to do that while recording this. And now you're ready to turn your car on, and hopefully you don't get any error codes or any weird noises. Alright guys, those were the before and after sound clips, and I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot more subtle than I thought it was gonna be. I had the BMS intake on my 335i before this, and it was very loud. You could hear it when you were accelerating, when you let your foot off the gas. This one
kind of had to have the windows rolled down a bit just to hear the sound on the inside. Now from the outside, it was pretty loud. So if you're into the more subtle intakes where you get a little bit of turbo noise but nothing too crazy, I think this one's going to be perfect for you. I might actually probably going to keep this for a while, but maybe later might look into MST or something else. But anyway, hope this video was useful for you, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, all that. Got a lot more car videos coming.